Hey, what's up everyone? How's it going today? Came out to just a little section here. There's actually some cats here. Pretty cool. I just wanted to show you a neat little interior mod that I'll be working on today. So it's going to be this carbon fiber hydrodipped piece. It's going to go here at the cluster. Let's go ahead and work to get it installed. Now the first thing I have here is just some adhesion promoter. I'm going to put this kind of around the edges here where the 3M tape will stick, and it's pretty much as simple as that. So now I have everything wiped down with the adhesion promoter. Pretty much just take off the 3M all around here and place it on. Now I am going to work in putting this top part on first, securing it that way, because it's the most noticeable, because for some reason if the bottom doesn't hold correctly or there's any issue with that, it's not going to be noticeable at all. So it was as simple as that. It's now installed. Everything looks really good, and the fitment was actually perfect. It fit in there snug, as well as this whole lip area seated really well, so there was no issues with having like a top or a bottom part kind of moving up or down. Everything just like I said, fit really snug. So I wanted just to show you guys this video and this install here. Got some cool stuff coming up here soon, and as always, happy driving and enjoy.